Hi guys, welcome again to Rosemary Delicacies. Today we'll be going to cook delicious githeri. The ingredients that we need are dania or coriander, and then we have our nyanya and onions, red onions, and then we have the githeri here. Let's go. Guys, let us fry our onions and nyanya. For me, I like adding them all together so that they can cook together. See you in the next one when they are very cooked and soft, so that we can add our githeri. Guys, our nyanya have cooked, so I'm adding a little amount of salt to taste, and then we are going to stir them so that they can combine all together, and then we will add our githeri. See you. At this point, we will cover the githeri so that they can get incorporated into the nyanya, salt, and the onions. So after this, we will come and see the result. Guys, our githeri is boiling, and this is the result. So we are almost there, because the last stage is adding coriander or dania. So let's do this. We will add our coriander. We will stir it, and then we cover it to boil for at least 2 minutes. Guys, this is the final result. Look at how delicious it is. So let's serve. Guys, this is the final look of our githeri. I'm serving it alongside with avocado. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.